Hello students. So today in this video I am going to explain you from exercise 13.6 question number 2. So the question is the inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe. So there is cylindrical wooden pipe. So first of all you have to draw the figure here. So I'll draw figure here only. So there is one wooden pipe. It is in the shape of cylinder. So first of all you have to draw the figure so that you will get the complete idea how to solve the question. Inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 and its outer diameter is 20 centimeter. It means what? This cylinder has some thickness. Let us take the cylinder is in this shape. So it has the inner diameter. So that is 24 centimeter and the outer one is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. So that is nothing but the height. So this is same for inner and outer circles. So the question is find the mass of pipe. If 1 cm cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. It means what? 1 cm cube of wood. It means what? You need to find out the volume of wood. So 1 cm cube is in volume. So you have to find out the volume of this shape, isn't it? So this ring formation volume you have to find out. So in that volume how much is the mass of this wooden pipe you have to find out. So we don't have the formula for this ring kind of structure, direct formula. So what we can do, the volume of the pipe with the diameter 28, that volume we will find out. In that volume, from that volume we will subtract the volume of this inner wooden pipe. Otherwise inner surface volume we have to subtract. So let us find out this. So first of all we will write down the given things. So here we will write down the given things. So inner diameter of pipe, that is given as 24 centimeter, and to find out the volume formula is pi r square h. So we need to find out here inner radius. So we'll find out inner radius, that is 24 by 2, that is 12. So this inner radius I'll take as r and outer I'll take as capital R. Otherwise you can take r1 here. Now next the external radius of the outer diameter we have to find out. Outer diameter, it is given of pipe, it is 28 centimeter. So r2, let us take outer radius, that is 28 divided by 2. So that is 14 centimeter. Now to find out the volume of this shape, we have to find out the volume of this bigger outer radius or outer diameter pipe and inner diameter pipe. So let us find out here. And length is also given, so we'll write down the length. Length is nothing but the height of cylinder, it is given, and it is same for both inner and outer diameter. Now here we'll start volume of wood used. So it is asked to form this cylinder they have used the wood. So volume of wood used will be equals to outer volume minus inner volume. So that we will get only the volume of this wood, not the hollow volume. We don't want hollow volume, only this wood volume we will get. So we'll come to know what is the mass of the wood. So outer volume, outer diameter is r2. So pi r square h. So here we have the r2 minus inner volume pi r square. So here we'll take as r1, pi r square h, and inner radius is r1. So here we can take pi h common. So here r2 square minus r1 square. So put the values of pi and h. Pi is 22 by 7 and h is what? Length, that is we have 35. R2 we have 14 and square we have to do. So 14 into 14 minus r1 is 12. 12 into 12. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 22 into 5. Then subtract this 14, 14s are, we'll find out first this, minus 144. So 5, 22 so you can find out 5 to the 10 carry 1, 5 to the 10 and 1 11. Then 196 minus 144, that is 52. So here just keep this 0 as it is and multiply 11 and 52. So there is one trick, when you multiply with 11, just keep this 2 as it is. So multiplication I will write upside, then add 2 plus 5, that is 7, and this digit as it is. So the multiplication of 52 into 11 is 572. So this is the volume of the wood used, that is in cm cube. So 1 cm cube has a mass, it is given mass of 0.6 gram. It has a mass of 0.6 gram. Then for this much of volume, what is the mass? So therefore, mass of wood used equals to 5720 into 0.6 and divide by 1. So we will keep this numerator, divide by 1 is same only. So ignoring decimal point, first multiply this. So we'll get 34320. Next put the decimal point back. So here we'll put decimal point back. So the total mass is 3432 gram. I hope you understood the explanation.